We will guide you through how to reset Photoshop to default settings. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure Adobe Photoshop is open and allow the workspace to finish loading before you begin. Click Edit in the top menu to open the application options. Select Preferences, then choose General to access Photoshop's main preference controls. As an alternative way to reach the same place, you can press the Ctrl and K keys together. The Preferences window will open and display the available categories along with their settings. Stay on the General tab rather than switching to another category, because the reset control you need is located there. Find and click Reset Preferences on Quit, which tells Photoshop to remove the current preference configuration the next time the application closes. When the confirmation message appears, click OK to confirm that you want the preferences reset. Click OK again to close the Preferences window and return to the Photoshop workspace. Close Photoshop completely and make sure the application is no longer running in the background. Launch Photoshop again from your desktop, Start menu, taskbar, or other usual shortcut. Wait for the application to finish loading, since Photoshop will rebuild its preference files during this startup and may take slightly longer than normal. Once the workspace appears, your application preferences, workspace arrangement, and customized keyboard shortcuts should be restored to their original default settings. Check the panels, tools, menus, and common commands to confirm that the reset has taken effect. If you still need any personalized behavior, reconfigure your custom preferences one at a time, such as the color theme, performance options, rulers, guides, workspace layout, or keyboard shortcuts, and save those changes for future Photoshop sessions.